Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Very exciting video. We have finally launched our brand new Bungee Ponytail Extension. It is a brand new design for a ponytail extension, patent pending, and I'm going to show you exactly how to put it on step by step. Okay, so the things you're going to need are a little hairspray and a brush that has a mix of boar bristle in it to help smooth your hair easily. And your Bungee ponytail comes with 2 ponytail elastics and 2 bobby pins. And be sure to watch the video all the way through because I'm gonna also provide you with a few professional tips and tricks. Okay, you guys, so I just wanted to show you the structure here a little bit before we get started. As you can see, the bungee goes right through the center hook here. It's like kind of just laying in there. What I wanted to show you is that actually is very pliable, and all you have to do is just gently pull it down, just like so, and that frees up the space for the center hook. I also want to touch on the 2 bungee hooks that come out of both sides. This bungee is not supposed to stretch like a natural ponytail holder would. It's only supposed to have a little bit of give. This is so that the base of the ponytail stays taut around your ponytail when it's applied. So the rule of thumb is you start at the base of your ears to create a half ponytail, and you're just gonna go straight at a diagonal to the very top of your head. Separate your hair and go ahead and start brushing and pull that up into a tight half ponytail. Okay, so the next part is you're going to take all the rest of your hair and you're going to bring it up and join it with this ponytail. Okay, so now I have all my hair pulled up into half ponytail, and now I'm going to join the second ponytail holder, creating one big ponytail, and I'm wrapping this second ponytail underneath the first half ponytail so that it's really tight. Okay, first step, you guys, like I mentioned in the beginning, you're going to roll the bungee out of the center hook and kind of just like make it rest below it so that you have an opening with your center hook. You're gonna take the extension. I use my thumb just like so to hold that bungee out of that center hook, and I'm gonna bring it up. The closest that's sitting next to your hair, you're going to hook that center hook up under that bottom ponytail. Okay guys, from here, I'm going to take my ponytail and bring it forward, and I'm going to wrap it at the base of my ponytail, and then I'm going to hook that first hook at the base underneath the ponytail holder. Now I'm going to take this side hook and I'm going to wrap it around at the base and hook it underneath this side of my ponytail. So the last part that you're gonna wanna do is take some hair and wrap it around. You have 2 options for this. You can use your hair that's in the ponytail in here to wrap around the base, or you can use a section of the ponytail hair to wrap around the base. And I prefer the ponytail hair just because my hair is a lot shorter, and so I'm just gonna wrap the section of hair around the base, and then using one or both of the bobby pins that came with it, you're going to secure that little section of hair underneath, just like so. And there you have it, the perfect ponytail. So I also wanted to show you how easy it is to take it off. So starting with the wrapped hair around the base, I'm gonna take the bobby pin off and unwrap the hair. And just going in reverse of the steps that you put it on in. So the last hook that I hooked in is on this side. See my thumb here? I just kind of push on it and it kind of just shows the hook come out. So I'm gonna undo that one and then do the same thing on the other side, just like so. And then usually the center hook will come loose for you. If not, then you just unhook it from the base of your ponytail. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to give you a couple professional tips and tricks for this, how to get rid of some of these bumpies in your hair that occur when you pull your hair up into a ponytail. I know some of you struggle with this, as I do, and this little tip and trick is so cool. So taking any type of rat tail comb with a metal end like this, you're going to slide it in and then just pull up. And what this does is it helps smooth out those little bumpies if they don't want to smooth out on their own with the brush. Now, if you are someone who wants way more like of a cascade of a ponytail, higher volume, this little trick is something that celebrity stylists do, and there's two ways of doing it. Using your own ponytail in here, you can braid this or just simply roll it into like literally like a roll, and you can take your second bobby pin or any bobby pin and you can secure this roll right underneath your ponytail, so it kind of gives this more of a bump, and then you just let your hair cascade over it. Another option is to actually take this bobby pin. You're gonna kind of feel your way through here, and you're going to literally just stick the bobby pin straight into your ponytail, just like that, and see how the bobby pin kind of sits straight up here. It's gonna make your ponytail stay up as well. See how much higher that made that? And you can even use like the really extra large bobby pins to really, or a couple of them, to really get it to, you know, sit higher in volume. So one last tip for you: when you get your bungee ponytail and you take it out of the package, this is a layered ponytail extension, but when you take it out of the package, you don't really see layers because the hair is kind of lifeless, being in a package for as long as it has. So another tip and trick is to actually wet the entire ponytail, which I have done with this one. And as you can see, it's kind of more human-like, it's fuller. You can see the subtle layers come out of it when it's styled, and it's a little easier, honestly, to work with. And it's not so retro looking or costumey as opposed to putting it on straight out of the package like I showed you in this video. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to email us at accounts@hiddencrown.com and we'd be happy to assist you further. And also make sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms down below to stay in the know on everything Hidden Crown. And make sure to check out these videos that relate to the video you just watched.